Hey there. So this is gonna be a figure video on my new Shiryuu Chouun figure, which I got from this anime expo this year, 2019. Sorry about that. And I have a Hakufu figure, which I'm gonna do probably next month. So yeah. Also, I want to mention that right now the next AFE in the future will be in September. I already have a plan for it. I just need to make it and start working on it. So yeah, and so right now I'm taking a break to do the Shiryuu figure. And sorry about the bed. I'm doing this video on my bed because I need some kind of daylight, and it's hard to find daylight in this apartment I have. So yeah, so let's start. Like you see here, the Shiryuu figure, the pose, um, let's just rotate her. I think this is gonna be a short video. I still have the rubber, well, not rubber, the plastic on her because I could have put her back in the case, in the box, which I was able to not damage, so that was a good thing. So slowly rotate her. I like this pose, so I'm going to mention that because she's like an action pose, with her sword drawn. I also like her hair, like in the wind, and her skirt is kind of like damaged, not like really damaged, but like it's supposed to be damaged, like from a battle or like in a fight. But not her shirt. It's just her skirt the damage. And I can see down here, which I'm holding it. There's supposed to be like another thing right here, but I'm not sure how it worked. So I just skipped it. Like it was supposed to be like a pole. I think it's supposed to help her stand, but I think she's doing good on her own. She has like some wind coming up from her underneath her feet for the base, and the base is like light blue color or sky blue color, something like that. Let's just zoom in on her face, and that's her face. Uh, so then like it doesn't come with nothing else except for the base and this, and like except the pole, which I'll probably show you what I mean. It's like this thing right here, but I'm not sure how it works. So just give it came with like two other small parts, but I'm mostly ignoring it for now for this video. Like I said, after this video, I'm gonna put it back in the case or not in the box. I like to take my figures out from the box to do video on them because I'm definitely going to keep them all. I'm not planning to resell any. I like to keep my and right now they're in the box because I don't have enough space to show them like I used to. So yeah, and something you want to know, I want to show is like it's kind of I find it weird, but there's bandies like Reptune. That's their panties or underwear. They're kind of ripped, which I find it weird. And that one I'm mostly messing around with the wrapper or the not wrapper, the plastic, because I would have it keep it on for purposes. Like I don't want it off and give. I don't know. I'd rather have it like that. Anyway, so this is the figure. You can see her her clothes closely, her shirt, her uniform. There goes the focus. Losing focus. There it goes. There's her face again. It's a pretty small figure, also. I mean, compared to like the size of the DVD, the size of the DVD, and it extravagant concept watch, and it is smaller, like a little bit smaller than the case. So yeah, or about the same size. So the size of like a DVD box. It is like, but it seems smaller compared to my other figures, but not that small. I think it's like 1/6. No, is it 1/6 or 1/8? Like slightly smaller, I want to say, or unless it is 1/7. I can't remember the numbers now. It's been a while since I did a figure video. Sorry about the check. But yeah. So this is the figure. It came in this box, which I was able to save. And where is? Sorry about this. And it came with this case, like, and this thing, which I able to. Sorry about that. What, I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, it came in this. With this. Could have put it down here and showed you. Yeah. Anyway, so mostly this is it. See if I can get more like a better. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, so I think that's it for this video. There's gonna be next AMV coming up in September. I already have a plan for what I want to make. I already have it like idea, so now I need to start working on it, which I'm probably gonna start soon. Then if I finish early, I will have it early in the next week of the first week of September. Besides that, I think I'm done. And my next figure video will be Hakufu, which also gonna be next month, which I planned for. So yeah, there's 2 videos planned for in the future. Anyway, so that's it, and thank you for watching. Bye.